Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to erase background with Picsart application. So, the first thing that you will need to do is to go to the store of your smartphone. Either you can go to Play Store if you have an Android, or you can just go to the App Store if you have an iOS phone. So now basically we need to download the Picsart software or app. So we go to the search field and search for Picsart. So basically we go here, we search for it, and then we will need to click on this icon, and then you will need to click on get or download, depends on the store that you are using. We click on get, then you will need to confirm and add your password, etc. And after that, we are going to wait for the app to download. So basically, now we are just going to wait for it to download, and those are like the informations or all the infos concerning this application. So basically, after the download and the installation has finished, we need to go to our application. So we are going to click on it, and now we will need to wait until it opens. And as you can see, you can just allow the track or other things. So let's go here, and now we will need to create an account, or we can just log in on one of these accounts like Google, Facebook, or Snapchat, or Apple accounts. So if you want to create your account with email, just click on create an account, or you can just sign in with your Google account. You click on continue, you choose the account that you want to connect with, you add your informations, and then you will be able to use this application. So for the moment, let's just skip by clicking on this X at the corner. We click on it, and now we will be able to use the application. So all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to select an image that you want to remove its background. Then you will need to go to the tools, click on selection, and then you will need to click on select. After this, you will need just to click on background, and here it will select background. If there is like more things to add or to edit, you can just use the brush tool, and of course you can resize it so you can cover all the backgrounds. So let's just go back. You can just cover all the background until it is all red. After this, all you need to do is to click on cut, and then you cut it, and as you can see, now you can remove it, and also you can just go to the erase tool. Let's just apply. You can go to the erase and just select with the brush, and then we are going to need, and go to the brush, select the things remaining, and then all you need to do is to click cut again, for example like area to keep, and invert it. We go to erase, and then we are just going to do the cut, and basically now we isolated the whole image, and then you can just use it, and it will remain still in. And this is how you can remove your background with Picsart. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.